Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now in order to see mutual friends on Snapchat, now first you want to click on the person with the plus icon at the top. Once you do that, basically as you guys can see, the more down I go, it's going to show me. So for Roshan Gewali, it shows me 2 plus mutual, which means 2 of my friends is already friend with Roshan Gewali. Now I cannot know who those 2 friends are. The trick in order to know who those 2 friends are is to remove all of my friends and just add Roshan Gewali as my friend. Once I do that and come back to this person with the plus icon at the top, it's going to show me only the friends who is friend with Roshan Gewali, and then only I can know like who those mutual friends are, because like the other way you cannot, because as you guys can see, I can scroll down and it's going to show me more people with mutual friends on the friends list, but it's not going to show me who those mutual people are. Alright, so for Roshan Gewali, 2 plus mutual friends, I can click on his profile picture, but I will not know who those 2 mutual friends are. Alright, so that's basically the only thing. You can only know like how many numbers of mutual friend that person has, but you cannot know who those mutual friends are. So this is the only way you guys can see mutual friends on Snapchat. You can only see the number. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.